The goal is to bring war-affected children onto the research team to be co-researchers. Children are victims in conflict, they're witnesses of conflict, and they're also participants in conflict. It was in 2004 in Sierra Leone, just after the Civil War, and I was engaging in a research project on former child soldiers and quickly realized the importance of actually bringing young people onto the research team as co-researchers. I was working with a local NGO, and we were trying to document children's lives, both before, during, and after the war. We were hoping to have young people speak to us. Currently, there are 520 million children that are living in conflict zones in situations of extreme violence and deprivation. Children being affected by war is a global phenomenon. Ukraine and Gaza and Sudan, Myanmar. And a lot of children talk about the fact that although the war ends, there's a war after the war. There's obviously outrage when we hear about children being implicated in conflict, but we don't often hear their voices. And so I feel that it's important for me to be able to gather those voices so that they're heard and that those stories really matter. Research can be very hierarchical, that you have the researcher going in, collecting data, and then leaving. And for me, it was really important to kind of flip that around. The goal is not extraction. The goal is to actually be working with communities and building relationships. And youth researchers are part of that. One of the impacts is shifting trajectories. You know, young people being on a research team provides them with all kinds of different sets of skills. And I've had the privilege of working with the same group of youth in northern Uganda for 11 years now. And I've been able to see the impact over time. They're able to grow and to flourish intellectually and in terms of their life course as well. I'm incredibly grateful for this award. It means so much to my work, to me, to the young people that I work with. And I'd like to also acknowledge my incredible research partners who I've been working with over the past 12 years now, who are from Watikigen in northern Uganda.